Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. Let's discuss index levels for coming week and let's analyze the last week Nifty 50 Nifty Bank chart and all the things about the stock market along with some important stock market news also. So all thing about the stock market in one video. So to know the level of the Nifty 50 Nifty Bank, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for the regular index levels update, stock market news and stock in news update. So let's get started with some important news, important reason why stock Nifty 50 has actually fallen last week. I assume that you might be knowing that in last 2 weeks the market, especially in last week, the Nifty 50 was even Nifty Bank also. The market as a whole, stock market was falling drastically. So that I am assuming that you might be knowing. So I will discuss what was the reason. Then I will go to the immediately go to the chart and I will show you all the thing as I have drawn the chart also to make you understand what all happened actually and what can actually be what we can predict for the next week. Important reason was for that fall, which we can find out with the news and all the thing about happening in the market. The number one is the Federal Reserve cuts the Fed interest rate by 25 bps. That you all know that 25 bps से rate cut. Again they have cut the rate. Fed has cut the rate and now it has become to 4.50%. तो मीन्स अगेन 0.25% का रेट कट हुआ है एंड नाउ इट हैज come to that 4.5%. So this is actually good news, but stock market has not reacted on that because of the management Powell commentary, which was little negative for the stock market, as the Powell said that now in next year he's not going to cut the rate even more than not going to cut the rate more than 2 times. Means minimum 2 times may happen. That is also not for sure, but yes, now he said that he is not going to cut the rate 4 times. Instead of 4 times, it may be 2 times only. So this is little negative. Market reacted on that. This news, this was actually hawkish. Hawkish means negative. So this was Powell is hawkish on this. So this was little bit negative for the stock market. That was the one reason we can find it. The another is second reason. Number two is FII's heavy selling. Yes, this is continuously happening. Big reason for this is the this Christmas vacation, and they never work on these days from 24 to 1st January. Mostly they sell and go for the vacation, go for the leave, and then again they come in Jan after first week. So this is always this last December and first week of the January and last week of the December always happens this thing, because the FII sell and go for the vacation. This is a big reason for their heavy selling. So FII's heavy selling, of course, this is taking also market down. Now third reason can be the market was valued. Actually PE भी उसका high हो गया था Nifty 50 का. So market was little bit valuation was high. So now it is coming on the normal PE, average PE. So all that reason we can find out which may happen. Because of that the market is falling. Now we'll discuss what happened on we'll discuss on the chart so that you can understand better, and I will show you I'll take you on the chart. I have drawn these lines and these moving averages so that you can understand. and this is very important to understand so that you can also read the chart how it is happening, all that. So I have drawn this resistance zone this time. This resistance zone, earlier I was making this head and shoulder pattern, and this breakout happened, but it could not sustain very long time. After just breakout, you can see here it has retested, even given reversal also, but again it fell down from this day, which is 16th December, Monday. Means whole last week consecutively is it was falling down, and from here it could not sustain above breakout level, and now again it is actually going to reach the last last swing low it is going to reach. You can see in the detail, please give your attention that this was last time low, which was actually 23,265 around. I'm taking 23,265, and from here it has taken reversal, even breakout also from here, this neckline, but could not sustain. From there, from Monday it started falling, the reason I already discussed. And see here, from it has broken this 20 EMA this day on Tuesday only, then again down, then it has come to the 200 level. This day it has given the gap down, which was very means negative, and from here it has given gap down, and from here even last Friday it has broken the 200 EMA also, which is actually very negative. I can see now the 23,265, or you can say 23,300 is open, immediate support for the Nifty 50. Means 23,300 is imminent in next month, you can say Monday also, or even next week, but 23,300 is very imminent. And from here, if it is taking support in this zone is what? This zone is 23,000. I can take round figure 23,200 to 23,300 or 350 is a very strong support zone. This zone, you can see 200 to 300. So 23,200 to 23,300 is very good support. If it's taking support here and again turning back, that's good. But if it's not holding this support and falling from here again further, then we can say this event can come on the chart, which is 21,300, 290, 300 around. If I take round figure, 21,300 may come. This level will be open for the Nifty 50 after breaking this 23,200 level. So that we will see next week what is happening. I will update वैसे भी I will always update every week these index chart and index level. So I will update definitely. But next week I am hoping it should take support here. But be ready. Make your mind. If it's not holding this support, is breaking this, then you should be ready for this 21,300 level, which is next swing low. This upper side level can be this zone, which is again that was earlier support, that will be again 24,400 to 24,500. This zone, you can see this zone I have drawn, which is 24,400 to 24,500 will be again a very crucial resistance. If it's turning back to this level, then again it will face a resistance here. It has to break this resistance zone to come at this level. Yes, and again this 24,857 around will be again a strong resistance, which Nifty 50 was even facing in last few weeks. It has been facing. So this 24,857 or 850 around. This resistance I'm giving as a backup if it's breaking this resistance. Otherwise, let it first break this resistance zone of 24,400 to 24,500. So this time I'm taking a small zone so that you can be clear, or if you want to take a safer side, so you can say that support is can be 23,200 and resistance can be 24,500. Between this can be a trading zone for the Nifty 50. Nifty 50 trading range can be support 23,200 and resistance 24,500. And be mindful with the level. Just I discussed that 24,400 is also a resistance level, and 23,300 can be a support also. So these two more level you should keep in your mind, and the important final support and resistance I just given. Now let's just discuss the Nifty Bank. What is happening here? See, here also I have drawn this resistance zone. This resistance zone is very important, which is actually at 20 EMA also. This 20 EMA was a very important support earlier, but last week only it has broken, and broken with with very strong candle. You can see this candle is very strong. So sellers are very heavily selling here. So this can be a negative sign for the Nifty Bank, or you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means all the 5 days it was also consecutively falling only drastically. 1, 2, 3, 4 सिर्फ नीचे ही जा रहा था. यहाँ पे भी गैप डाउन ओपनिंग हुई, and then again it has also reached to the 200 EMA. You can see here, yes, it has not touched like a Nifty 50. Nifty 50 even has broken the 200 EMA, but yes, Nifty Bank has saved this 200 EMA last Friday, but that does not mean that it is not going to touch it, or it is not going to break it. As you can see, this candle is also very powerful, strong, and looking very giving very negative sign. So 200 EMA is very imminent to touch. Even on Monday it can touch. If it will be negative, it can touch here, and even it can break also. It may break also to reach this important support, which was actually earlier also the same support, which is 49,700. I can say 49,800 also, but I'm taking the safer side, 700. So 49,700 as low was actually 49,800, but yes, 49,700 I am taking a safer side support. So this support definitely very crucial. Next week we will keep watch on this support at 200 EMA. It is very imminent that it is going to be broken, or it is going to be touched. I don't know, but yes, this 200 EMA definitely going to be touched by Nifty Bank next week. So Nifty Bank trading area for the next week can be support 49,700 and resistance 52,800. And as I already discussed that this is the resistance zone, and this you should be mindful with this support, which is 52,450 around. 52,450, which is 20 EMA also. So 52,450 or 500, I can take 500. It is also a very important resistance. You should be mindful with this both resistance. But here, yes, first we have to think about support only, and that is important, which is first 50,400. Yes, 50,400, and then 49,700. So please be mindful with these two extra level which I am giving. Support 50,400 and resistance 52,500, and yes, final support and resistance is 49,700 and 52,800. So Nifty Bank trading area can be support 49,700 and resistance 52,800 for the next week. So hope you got all the analysis of these, both of these index and chart, Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank, and you got how to analyze the chart and these candles. So this was a short picture of the stock market index, and I will repeat again the level for the Nifty 50. Support 23,200 and resistance 24,500, and Nifty Bank support 49,700 and resistance 52,800. So this was all I could discuss in short. You should of course go in detail and study the chart, and like and share the videos, and subscribe the channel also for regular index update and regular stock market news and stocking news update. Signing off.